We started with a vision of rolling out the mobile solution for MIRAL Experiences.
The MIRAL Experiences is a unique industry where we have very less Maximo implementations done.
Now we have got world's fastest roller coaster. We have got several other coasters, the world's largest park, indoor theme parks and everything. So this is pretty much big for these kind of organizations.
The mobile solution, whatever we have implemented, is a unique one because we are all dealing with rights and the assets that are related to the rights.
The real-time data was one of the most important thing. Having this solution customized to this unique industry is actually more complex.
It was a unique challenge for us to implement a mobile solution for an entertainment industry or a theme park industry.
The first thing was, let's set up a POC. Let's do the proof of concept. That was actually the success of the project, I would say. That was the first thing which led to success.
We worked as a team, and the kind of support which we have received from MIRAL and right from the management, stakeholders and all the support team, that is the success of this project.
It was all about people. I would say again, I would rather stress on that word people, because if we wouldn't find these people matching our energy and all our levels, this wouldn't have been possible. That's the most important part of the journey actually. If we could do it, anyone else can do it. The work which went behind should definitely be known to the people, and then if this could be incorporated in their organization as well, they would tremendously benefit with the advantages what we are currently seeing actually. Time actually to hand over the rights, that was one of the most advantageous thing actually, I would say. Everything is on the device right now, on our hands. Any data pertaining to work orders or the completion, whatever it is, it's all in your hand right now.